Hi guys, Random here, back with a bit more World of Warships, and joining me today
is little me, Lady Random.
Aww.
Aww.
Remember, the couple that sinks ships together stays together.
Yeah, possibly.
So we thought we'd go for STRONK Russian boat. Yes. Glorious Russian Navy. We are in the new cruisers, the Russian line. This is the Novik. You've seen the Orlan in previous videos. This is the Tier 2, so we're not expecting huge amounts of marvellous out of it, but let's see what it will do. Survivability, it's got 14,500 hit points when you've upgraded the hull.
However, as standard, you are looking at 13,800.
That sucks. Artillery, when you upgrade your hull, you get an extra 2 batteries on your main battery. So I've got 8 times single barrel 120mm guns, which will fire out to 10.1 kilometres.
Amazing. See, I have got 620 mils and my firing range is 9.2 kilometres.
Wow. I've got 13.3 rounds per minute, 180 degree turret turn, bit slow with 22 seconds, so you're not going to track anything too fast. Dispersion's a bit pants, 102 metres at maximum range, 8% chance of fire with your HE shell damage at maximum 1700 and AP at 2000. So, anti-aircraft. Let's talk about anti-aircraft. Now, bear in mind, this is a Tier 2 boat. It's unlikely you're going to come across any aircraft, which is probably a good thing, because you have 2 pea shooters to try and combat aircraft. Yeah. That's probably the lowest anti-air score I've seen in this game, of 2. Manoeuvrability. Now, these things chug along quite nicely at 25 knots. Turning circles pretty average, 500 metres, and rudder shift 4 seconds. Yeah, it's not bad.
You see, I'm 5.1.
Oh, so, must be the hull, you see.
Not as nimble.
You can be spotted from 9.7 kilometres away, and your air detectability is 4 kilometres. But yeah, who cares? It's Tier 2. Right, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's hit the battle button. Now, I haven't played World of Warships for a little while now, so...
I'm not entirely sure I've ever played it yet. I've tried to play it several times.
Logged in a couple of times, but... So, let's see what this old beastie does.
It's going to be one of those taking... Oh, no. Spoke too soon. Right. So what are we up against then?
All right.
Oh, it's a tier 1, 2... Well, tier 1, 2, 3, isn't it?
Oh, yeah. There's some poor soul in an Orlan there. Oh, dear.
Okay. It was all right, the Orlan.
Yeah, it was.
Could have been a lot worse.
But you don't really want to be taking it up against Kawachis.
Not particularly.
Or St. Louis. So, yeah. Okay. Let's drop into the battle.
Let's have a look at this beastie from the top.
It's not a bad looking boat, is it?
No, it's not actually.
I think it's like a St. Louis ski.
Just with less everything.
Okay, so you are to my left.
I certainly am. Okay.
I think it's going to be a high explosive jobby, this one.
Oh, I'm thinking you're right.
So let's make smoke as we provide cover for. Well, yeah. Well, of course you're going to want people to cover yourself, aren't you?
Yes, but we've got such a wonderful list of kind of little commandy things we can use.
The old rudder is pretty good, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah. I wouldn't say it turns on a sixpence, but you give it a little wiggle. It's not too bad.
Yes. Well, this is a little bit slower, obviously.
So,
Right, Mr. St. Louis.
I have 8 guns. How many of which can we get on target at any one time? 5, by the look of things.
Yeah, because it's a mixture, isn't it, of like fixed and turreted, isn't it? So I can get 3 on target at a time, so I'm like 50% of mine. So you're a bit better than that, but it's the extra turrets you've got, isn't it?
Okay, let's...
Okay, right. What do we got? A St. Louis.
A St. Luigi.
Out of range for the moment.
Mm-hmm.
Are we going to sneak...
There's a...
But there's a Kawachi there that isn't.
Aha!
So,
Kawachi!
see what we can get on target here. You see, these are supposed to be quite quick at reload, aren't they? Like rapid firing.
I don't know, it doesn't seem particularly quick. I'll set him on fire.
Nice. Well, I'm actually getting hits, which I'm happy about that, so... Ooh.
Did he hit you?
He's trying to.
We've got some more fires.
Yeah, also got an Orlan coming in, so I think I might have a little go at him, I think.
Switch to armour piercing. God, this guy is burning badly. I like this.
Kind of coming a little bit close, I think.
So I think I'll switch over to the Orlan and wreck his day.
We are on. I am on fire.
I just got a citadel with high explosive.
Awesome.
And another one. There
Well,
we
he's
go.
down. I'm taking quite a lot of damage.
Get wrecked, son.
I'm just going to spin round and back off if I can for a little
Yeah.
minute, because I am very broken.
And I don't really want to be the only thing over here for people to shoot at.
Bloody engine's out as well now, and I'm on fire.
You are somewhat
And gone.
quite
Yeah.
far ahead there.
Yeah. That'll teach me.
Right.
I was just ploughing into it.
Oh! Now they haven't got anybody else to shoot at, they're all shooting at me.
Alright.
My main turret is critically damaged. And I'm heading to the bottom fairly
Yeah, oh jeez,
fairly
yeah.
soon, I would imagine. Yeah. Oh well. Yeah, a bit of a glass hammer, these ships, aren't they?
Yeah. Oh, well, largely down to the way that I operate it, but
Yeah.
13 hits and 1 fire.
What did I get? 4 fires, 49 hits, 4 citadels, 2 criticals, and a sinking.
Nice.
But that was that merciless killing of the Orlan. So, we're actually losing this.
Yeah, we are.
How are we losing this?
Because you've got idiots like us who just destroyed ourselves really, really early on in the game.
Yeah, it's quite delicate, the old
It doesn't take a lot.
Novik.
So bearing in mind, I was sort of like bow on to the...
I took 2/3 of the health off of that Kawachi.
Yeah, I was bow on to the Kawachi, but then the Orlan was coming in from the side and... Well, stupidly, I was just too close. So.
I'm watching this St. Louis get absolutely pounded.
So I'm on the Kohlberg.
St. Louis, him dead. Oh, there's Quatchy here. Nice to see the battleship push up. I mean, it is a Kawachi, so it does take a while to get anywhere, but they kind of should have pushed forward a bit.
We've got a cruiser in cap at the moment, haven't we, by the looks of things?
Mm-hmm.
A little Chikuma. But he's got to...
Yeah, he's got his own problems over here, hasn't
Yeah, he's just about, well, certainly about to have them by the looks of things, because he's got, what, St. Louis, the Dursky, and the, would you say that is Bogatier?
Bogatier.
Bogatier. Yeah, he's gone.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
We're watching them drop one by one.
Well, it's absolutely no thanks to us, though. In fact, we were probably like the worst.
I think this Kawachi that's just sat at the back of the map could have made a difference if he'd pushed forwards, but we've got a Kohlberg over there who's trying to hold off a Kawachi and a Bogatier.
Yeah, no, that's who I'm on at the moment.
And
there's a Novik.
Yeah.
You know, fair play to him. He's
doing what he can.
Yeah. When you're sort of 3-on-1, it's
not easy.
Never good.
Not easy. Yeah, well, I think we know how this is going to end.
Yes, I think you're right. Let's see how the Bogatier stands up to the Kohlberg. Ouch, that was a fire straight away. So he's got the Novik on him as well. Wow. Oh, bless him, because he was putting up such a good fight as well. He's got 2 fires going and a tiny little bit of health. But he's the only one who's sort of pushing forward out of everybody else, wasn't he?
Certainly is.
The other 2 are kind of hiding. Very unlucky. Yes, indeed they are.
And now he's got the Dursky, the St. Louis, the Kawachi, Bogatier.
Yeah. Dismal.
He's down. What are we left with? Just that Kawachi?
Yeah, just the Kawachi, yeah. Who's getting it from every possible angle. Jeez.
And here come the torps.
Yeah. There goes the ship.
How did we do?
Pulled up area, sunshine. But
fined for causing damage to allies, apparently. I got 1 credit and 1 XP fined.
Ooh. I'm bottom. And you're
LOL.
Okay, no, that is really quite funny.
Yeah, that went well.
Yeah, but that just shows how good our team was, doesn't it?
I did 11,000 damage with fires.
That's good.
I mean, that's not bad.
That is good. Yeah, I did about 1,000 damage with AP shell hits, 1,122 with HE shell hits, 97 with the fires set, and blew up spectacularly.
Oh dear. Right, let's go back to port. And as if by magic, the ship's back.
Yes. With my 125 XP.
I got 317 XP in that game.
Oh dear.
Wow.
Okay, so we're going to attempt that again, but we're actually now being joined by Captain Cronium, who is actually one of my subscribers on YouTube. So thank you very much for playing along with us. And yeah, all good.
Let's jump in here and see what we get.
Indeedy. So I believe in chat, if you hit tab a couple of times, it takes you into like a private division chat.
Mm-hmm.
So we can go from there. So we're in a tier 2, 3, isn't it, again?
Yep. On the Soggy Man Islands.
Indeed.
Right.
Right, let's jump in.
Oh, you're all right hiding between the islands.
Oh, I'm not in just yet. Oh, look, yeah. Sneaky, sneaky.
I will sit here and pretend to be a fish.
Right, so it's enter and tab. Tab. Yeah, enter, tab, tab, and it goes yellow. No, he's a good player as well.
Cool. Right.
Right, here we go.
Everyone's spamming the good luck button.
Indeed.
Right. Which way do you want to go?
I'll be honest with you. If I'm divisioning with Crow, I tend to follow where he goes because he's quite good. Could probably lurk behind
I'm
a little.
thinking I'm going to head towards C. Sort of over there.
So the Bogatyr is the same with the 152mm guns, but it's more flat and fast with the gun upgrade.
So I'm going to head round C way.
Yeah, no, I've
Mainly
mentioned
because
C.
everyone else has gone to A. So
Yeah.
we got a kamikaze going up the middle.
Certainly have. So
We've only got the...
so we've got quite a few of us actually. So you've got the Bogatyrs coming in as well to see. By the looks of things.
Tenryu, Bogatyr,
St. Louis.
Louis. The old Umakaz is going for...
Okay, so when you upgrade the Bogatyr, you can use armor piercing at last with good effect. Oh, that's good to know.
Let's see if we can wreck this guy's face.
Which way are you going?
He's put some torps in the water. Oh, you beauty!
Was that you that just got him then?
Yes.
Majaro Makazi's actually... he's nearly out. Oh, he's gone. He's gone.
Nice.
Absolutely no thanks to me at all because I didn't hit him.
We've got torpedoes in the water.
Yeah.
Oh, hello. It's a Strozzi boy. Hello, little Strozzi boy. Let's say hello to the Strozzi boy, shall we?
Oh, he's trying to hide in the smoke. Get my aim in with this. Much more lead needed.
Wrecking Strozzi boys in the morning.
We've got Bogatyrs coming in as well.
I like to wreck some Strozzi boy face.
Just turning.
Oh, little fishies.
Yeah, I see him. Is that going to go anywhere near him?
Let's mess up the Bogatyr's day, shall we?
Absolutely nowhere near him when he's gone out of range.
We are messing up Bogatyr day. All I'm a little bit worried about is that Strozzi boy might reappear. So I'm gonna...
Yeah, he's just coming in again from the
Yeah.
from the right. I'm gonna don't know whether to spin back round and try and get him. So I might be able to get him over the island. That's fine.
Right, I'll cap the base.
It's very nearly gone anyway.
We're getting a base in your face, Bogatia.
Oh, I've hit nothing.
Oh, don't shoot at me. Shoot at the other boats. Oh. These are quite funny little ships, actually, these Russians.
Yeah, they are. But I quite like them. These going to go anywhere near them?
Let's...
Nope. More lead, more lead. Is it me or is it got a really weird, like really, really high trajectory?
It has. I mean,
Because they seem to take for absolutely forever to land the shots.
it's kind of endangering the space station, really.
Because, I mean, that's what I found really hard with this. It's kind of judging the where to aim. Oh dear, about to a little collision with a dead ship. Yeah, it's like it's the where to aim because they go so high.
It'll take a week and a half to land.
Well, this is it, and it's really hard then to judge where to set your aim.
Yeah.
Because they're still bloody up in the air. I pressed them seconds ago, and not one of the buggers hit.
You have to give it a hell of a lot of lead.
Yeah, well, that's what I've discovered. Just hope to God they kind of stay. Ah, no, that little Starosivoy has appeared again.
Oh yeah, there he is.
Out of my range, sadly, but I'm kind of slightly wary of the Soko that's coming out the back.
Come on. Hit him.
Oh, just caught him on the end there.
How's matey boy doing? He's doing okay. Alright, nice fire. This is what we like.
That Starosivoy's staying out of range. Alright, I'm out of range on this guy now. I think I might... Ooh, what we got over there? Right, they've got an Ubikazi and a St. Louis coming round.
Oh well, yeah, okay. We should be okay.
Yeah, I was going to say we'll deal with this lot because we've got our St. Louis and another Novik up the back.
That's the South Carolina.
Jesus, 8 shots.
Need to get this on fire quick as I can.
Coming down to a Euro. Always do with a little engine boost, couldn't you?
Yeah.
Well, I think if we get rid of this other Bogatir and then concentrate on that Soko between, well, there's 4 of us up this way now.
Oh, I happen to be on fire.
Never good.
Bit antisocial.
I see that Bogatir's running away, isn't he?
How's our chum doing? Oh, he's dead.
He's out already.
Yeah. Right, let's see if we can...
No thanks to me.
See if we can do something marvellous with this.
Well, coming in with you on the Soko.
Yeah, watch.
Oh, the Starosivoy. Oh, look. You need to go bye-bye. Oh, it's got me on fire, the bugger.
Ah, they broke my rudder. Oh no.
He's using his manoeuvrability there to try and outrun.
Well,
Oh, Torps coming in. I'm gone.
I can't turn at the moment.
Well, I destroyed the Starosivoy, but took his Torps. Oh dear.
Right, repair. Go, go, go. God, blimey. Give me a fire. Come on.
We're trying. Yeah.
Oh, God, there goes the steering again.
Yeah, using AP against DDs is kind of useless, yeah. Totally agree.
Not much I can do here. Finally got the repair.
If I hadn't eaten like 4 torpedoes, probably still been going.
Oh, and the last hope. Bugger. We can do it. It's only 27 ships.
It's fine. It's fine. It's only 1 battleship and 5 cruisers.
Finally, a fire. My God. I thought I was going to have to pray to Hades to get that.
Ooh, nicely dodged those last few shots there. Yeah, so well aware of that. Go on, get him. He's ticking on the fire, isn't he?
Yeah. He's dead. Fuck you! Excuse me. Oh. The enemy's about to win. No.
Don't let it happen.
I
Take
call
on
hacks.
those 5 other ships.
If he gets one good hit on me, I'm cheese.
You're last of the Mohicans, he says.
Right. One decent hit. And I've had it.
Oh, you got the Tenryu on you, haven't you, as well as the Soke. Ramming speed, he says. Do it. Do it. You can do it. Oh. Inches away.
So close.
But it wouldn't have been so much as a ram as a little bit of a kiss.
Yeah, there'd
on
been a
the
tap.
side. Okay, so it's what, 11 target hits and 1 destroyed for me, and I'm guessing bottom of the table. Yes.
84
bottom.
hits, 3 incapacitations, 1 destroyed, 2 fires. I only got 2 fires and a base cap.
Oh, you did all right. So you're top for the second time in this.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. At least I got a kill, though. I mean,
Yeah, that was quite funny. I got 11,000 damage in fires last time, and I got 643 this time.
that's bonkers, isn't it? So I destroyed a Starosivoy, and that's about it. So yeah, all my...
Hilarious.
Oh, do you know what? I was thinking I was firing HE. I'm sure I was firing HE, but I wasn't. I was firing AP.
LOL.
But I don't even know how.
Why? Why would you do this?
I didn't even set it to AP. Oh, for the love of God. Well, that explains why it was a pile of crap then, doesn't it? I'm such a noob.
Dear, oh dear.
Oh, dear Lord.
So that's the Novik.
It was.
What do you think?
Oh, dear, oh, dear.
I'm thinking, how quickly can I get into the Bogatyr?
Oh, dear, oh, dear. Oh, well, with the XP that I'm earning at the moment.
It's not bad, I suppose. For a tier 2. It's not bad. Oh well, there we go.
Indeed. I'm just fessing up to the fact I was a twat and firing AP. Oh,